Hello everyone. For each drying system, it must have this part. This one is a heat pump. It will generate the heat and leak inside to the inside and for the air circulation. This part is the drying number. And we must have some fans for the air circulation. They are made of stainless steel 304 food grade. So today we do the test for customer, and you can see the material. After drying, it's very crispy. So the moisture content could be 5% more or less. So it's almost done. Later we will pack them out.